All right, go ahead.
All right, so am I logging in with Google or just username and password?
Mm, Okay, you're going somewhere else. Remember, I gave you the URL. Want to hit that one, please? Yeah, select it. Yeah. This one.
I see. So you
Yeah,
okay, so you edited. So it's
yeah,
this it's using this form now?
yeah. I'm just gonna want to show you. Just log into that one. It's the admin access, I think. Yeah, yeah. You see that? Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what the client's gonna see, right? Once the website is up and running. Now they can log in with the same account with also. They can log in with Google. No, this is not gonna work here. It's not gonna work here.
This is not gonna work?
No, no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work right now because the
Okay.
website is not ready. Yeah, there's no website there. There's no WP.
Okay.
So once the website's ready, you're gonna pop the link there under that button, and then they can kind of they can bookmark the link once they get there. They're not gonna have to come here over and over. They can bookmark the link, visit site. They're gonna go to the website. They can bookmark the link, and they can just go there and log in using also.
I see. Okay.
Yeah,
And then this button, I'm assuming when we put in the URL, this will add that user to the database on Auth0.
yeah. We can add it anywhere. It's a script. I can add it anywhere. So this is a dashboard that I'm looking at. Do you have a different dashboard for a client? I haven't seen like what options are there. I see the user one, but that's pretty standard that I use here. Like when I try signing up through Auto, I'm gonna see a very standard one from WP. Is it gonna be the same, or do you have a definite profile or dashboard that they will see once they log in and use it also?
All right. So, it eventually will just we'll have the Auth0 login screen, and then
Uh,
it's gonna take it's gonna take you to this screen.
okay,
This is
that's what the client would see. Yeah.
correct.
Okay.
Now, obviously, this is still, right now I'm just trying to build these connections and then we'll focus on this stuff,
Okay.
right? So eventually, there would be something here with the button would be moved down under here that says
Absolutely.
active,
Wherever you
right?
want it. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. And see, this is gonna, well, like I told you, the role right now when the client signs up using also, they're gonna be subscribers by
Correct.
default. Okay. So
Right.
you or the team member, they're gonna have to manually assign the roles, editor, admin, or whatever they want them to be. That could be
Correct.
done manually. All right. And once the
Correct.
website is up and running, you're gonna pop the link here under that button. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. They can click the button and they can go to the link and they can bookmark them. They don't have to log in here over and over just to get into their website. They can bookmark the link and they can go to the link and log in using awesome. The same account that you used to sign up here on
Right.
accounts@website.com. Yeah.
Correct.
So we're going the right flow?
Yeah. So, I from when I messed around with this last time,
Yeah.
in terms of setting the role for the
Mm-hmm.
user on their website, once
Mm-hmm.
they're logged in, they're a subscriber. Um, it'd be great if somehow we can create a mechanism for to be able to control, their role from the main dashboard of accounts at WebDiner. I
Okay, you
don't know
want to
if that's
control their
possible.
role from here.
I don't know if that's possible, but
I can always check that for you. I think,
yeah,
yeah, no problem with that. I'm gonna check that for you. I think WordPress, yeah, I think there are a few scripts I can look over to make that happen. Yeah, but then it's gonna be like they have to go through here. Yeah, if they want to, let
right,
me check that. I'm not gonna give you a conclusion right now. Let me
sure.
check
So
that.
one,
Yeah.
so one thing I want to know is like if like we're developing their website and they would have already registered an account on accounts.webdiner.com.
Mm-hmm.
If we add, once we put their URL, um, their website URL into our dashboard, our managers will.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you know, if we can't change the role from that dashboard, if you know, if we already go, like if our guys, developers need to go into their website and just change their role manually, would their account already exist there, or their account gets created on the first time they sign in?
Well, it's gonna be up to us, because this button that you see, it says visit
Uh,
site. You
right.
could say log into my site, right? And there's
Yeah.
gotta be a link that needs to be popped in here. If the link is in there, they can't go anywhere, right? So it's gonna
Right.
be us. Like when we're developing the website, once it's up and running, we're gonna pop the link here, so they can log in, right?
Right.
If we don't do that, they can't go anywhere from that. So, and suppose I want to go, I'm a developer, I want to go to their website. I'm gonna click log into my website, and if I know what email they used to sign up with also, I can
Right.
just pop that in and I can log into the dashboard as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if they've signed up on accounts.webdiner, that'd be like the first step, you know, because their site would most likely would still be under development.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we would put a message that says your site is currently under development. Please check back soon, whatever.
Yeah.
Right. So then, but we already have their account in that accounts.webdiner, so we'd be able to see their email and everything. And we could
Okay,
just
so
say,
that's not going
okay,
to be a problem. We can see what email they use to sign up,
right.
and you can use the same email to log into their dashboard. So that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah. So
Until
ideally,
they change it, or that's going to be a different thing altogether.
right. So we got to keep in mind too that one user could have multiple websites, right?
That's not going to be a problem. That's not going to be.
Okay.
I can create multiple, like right now you see visit site. I can also create the name of the site here. Visit this site, visit that site. I can make it like visit site A, visit site B. If you want it, and whatever design you like, I can make it that way as well. So they know what website they're going to log into, hitting what button.
Right. So the current flow that we have right now, you can still see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go to the dashboard. We have WebDiner accounts, right?
Okay. Okay.
And this would be an example of like one of the websites.
Okay.
Or an account, we call it, right?
Okay.
So if we click on this, right here is where we're adding the users.
Okay. Yeah.
So if I have an account in here and I add the user, they should be able to now log in and see this. And so this would get populated on the front end, and it would say, if they have, let's just say there's 5 different accounts here, they would see each one of these, and they could click on the tabs to go across, and then there would be a button that said, go to this dashboard or whatever.
Yeah.
And when they click on that, it would go to that dashboard, and they would already have, they would already have permission to get in.
Absolutely.
Now it'd be nice to say, like, like I was saying, somehow if we could automatically set them as like the editor role.
Well, I gotta check that for you. I can make it a default one if you want. I mean, I think I saw that somewhere. I'm gonna have to check the code again.
Yeah, I know. I saw that too. But the problem with that is technically if somebody outside of their organization went to their ad, or what knew the URL to get to the other website admin, they would also have editor role.
But if they don't know the email, they can't get in. Simple as that. Then they need to know the email. They need to know the exact email that the guy used to sign up using also here. In order to log in, it's not going to be the alone URL. The URL won't do anything until they know the email. Right? The exact.
But I thought it was basically dumping all of the email addresses into one database that would essentially say, like, okay, all these accounts, all these websites are connected to the same
email.
The user database.
Yeah, but then the guy has to know the same email at least, right? If I don't know one email that's connected to multiple websites, I can't log in even with the URL.
Right. Okay. Well, I'll trust that the flow here, because I like when I was testing it, it was like accounts.webdiner.com would have one database on Auth0, and any user, whoever signs up, would be added to that database, and technically they would have credentials to get into that website. It's just if they're a subscriber role, it's not going to do anything, but if they're an editor role, they would have access to make changes.
Yep. I understand that. I understand.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So let me work on that a bit for you. Yeah.
Okay,
So
that works.
you're liking how I'm going about it, or you got some like we're going in the right path, right?
I think so. I mean, it's still pretty preliminary to be able to
Yep.
tell, but yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. I'm gonna move forward with it then. All right.
All right.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. All right. Bye.